Hi, I'm Dave Buckley. I'm a personal injury attorney. And I'm often telling people the difference between what an accident is and what negligence is. And the reason why I'm even bringing this up now while I'm sitting in my car waiting for my wife to get out of the Whole Foods is because someone just slipped and fell right in front of me. And let me just show you what I'm looking at. Here's a parking lot in front of me. Here I'm at you can see I'm at the Whole Foods. And it's cold outside, and you can see it's just snowed, and it's what is it? It's 19 degrees, so it's cold. And the person who slipped and fell in front of me was wearing shorts and flip-flops. So that person was not dressed for the occasion, or I should say the weather, and they certainly weren't wearing the proper footwear, and they fell. Through no fault of anyone else's. It was their fault that they fell, and that's an accident. That person can't be compensated if she were injured as a result of her slipping and falling because she's at fault. Negligence is when someone else is at fault. Negligence is someone not exercising the ordinary care under the circumstances, and it results in someone getting injured. So, for instance, under the same scenario where this person just fell, if the parking lot weren't cleared from snow or ice, or it's not regularly maintained after a snowstorm or an ice storm or freezing conditions where they lay down some salt or sand, and assuming the person was properly dressed for the occasion, had proper footwear, boots or whatever, and they got hurt, they could bring a claim of negligence against the property owner. I'm not suggesting that a slip and fall at a place where the public is invited to is always going to be someone else's fault, but at least a claim can be investigated, the circumstances can be investigated, and a determination can be made as to whether or not a claim for negligence would even be brought. But that difference is you can be compensated for negligence. You can't be compensated for an accident in which you are solely at fault. Or you can't get personal injury compensation for you being solely at fault. So if that woman got hurt, who just slipped and fell wearing shorts and flip-flops in the middle of the winter and it's 19 degrees, well, that's on her. That's on her. But if if she were injured as a result of the parking lot not being properly cared for, that would be a claim that she could possibly make for negligence. Negligence, you're seeking compensation from someone who has caused you harm. That's the difference.